right, so welcome to December 2018 on Spray Paint Art Secrets. And this month we've got some beautiful videos for you. We're going to start out with this jungle where we show you how to use all kinds of landscape tools to create the foliage. You can see there's a little picture of a washcloth there. It's gone now, and then we're going to use a dish scrubby, which is the tool that I use usually to lay down some land, but you can see the beautiful textures that it makes, really scratchy textures. And there's all kinds of interesting tools that we're going to use to make all of this foliage so that when you've learned how to do all this, you'll be able to make any kind of landscape you want. All right, and then we're going to move on. We're going to do some space scenes. And you can see there's this sort of window into this beautiful sunset and some mountains with some interesting features in front of that. And I'll take you step by step to creating all of those effects with the clouds and the light and the mountains and the waterfalls. And we're gonna have a good time with this one. And then if you want, you can add a little bit of highlight to your mountains after the fact. And I love to do that. And I really love to use just paper as a brush. In spray paint art, we use newspaper a lot, but we can also use the same poster board that we're painting on as a brush. And we're going to do that in this painting as well. You see those trees? That bark texture is created with poster board. Just using the edge of the poster board to apply the paint, you can get some beautiful textures. So if you want to learn more about painting with paper and some interesting tools that you might not have considered as useful to your art, these lessons are for you, whatever kind of artist you are. And we've got these waterfalls that you can create with some brushwork if you want, or using paper as a brush and then adding a little bit of spray. Of course, you could do all of these tricks with your acrylic brushes, or you could use this as underpainting for your oils or as inspiration for your watercolor. There's tons of tools and textures in these lessons and ways of creating designs. So then we're going to move on and we're going to do some combining of ocean scene and space scene. So we've got all kinds of effects in the sky with planets and lights, and we've got this ocean wave, and there's some wonderful spray paint art techniques that you can use for creating waves very, very quickly and beautifully. But of course, you could also use them whatever kind of art you're into. It's learning about the structure, learning more new approaches to creating the structure of the wave in the ocean, and ways of thinking about galaxies and planets and lights in the sky as well. So art lessons are really good if you want to learn to play and improvise with your artwork, because all of these paintings that you're seeing are created very quickly. Spray paint artists know that they can create incredible magic very, very quickly on the fly for an audience. And if you can do that, you can do anything. And then we're going to wrap up this month's lessons with a quick painting of poppies. Now I did this on a wood board that has been prepared with some gesso and some sealer. And I'm going to talk about that a little bit, and then just talk about some quick flower painting techniques. Painting flowers is one of the simplest and most beautiful ways to create artwork that is good for decoration or galleries or gifts. It just seems to really be something that people love, is painting flowers. So we've got some great poppy painting this month. And it's a very quick painting, and you'll be able to learn these techniques very, very quickly. So if you would like some free lessons, please go to spraypaintartsecrets.com, and you sign up for the mailing list. You will get a free materials list and a free planet painting lesson to get you started. And so that will cue you into the materials and the techniques. So visit Spray Paint Art Secrets and come and have a good time with us. My name is Elisa Amor, and you can email me at spraypaintartsecrets@gmail.com with your questions anytime. Hope to see you inside. Ciao.